Morning, all you people who dwell on Facebook. This is my first ever TBT. If you're not seeing what this is, let me see if I can get you a different view here. This is a powder puffer, and this special TBT here, memory, back circa 1984-ish, 83-ish. This particular powder puff was used by a particular person as we canoed through the creeks in the Pine Barrens. Now you might ask, what type of person brings facial powder on a canoe trip? And I'll keep her anonymous. But I will say, in addition to this TBT moment of canoeing, I will say it's the same person who, when we all as a gang went out, snuck out one night and did things like take a lighter to a hairspray bottle of Aquanet to see what would happen. It's the same person who got caught doing that, who was punished, and her punishment involved taking away her curling iron. The rest of us got grounded for a few weeks. No phone, no TV, no friends. But this same person got her curling irons taken away. And she's going to be nameless. She's included in this tag on the Facebook. But she was rocking it then, and she's rocking it now. Beautiful woman. Throwback Thursday. Happy Friday, Eve all. Rock on.